Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today I will read about chapter 4, Elements of our Democratic Government, Class 6 Chapter 4 in Civics. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's begin. A. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. First, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu were involved in a dispute over sharing the water of the river. Answer is Kaveri. Second, once elected, a government stay in power for 5 years. 3. The anti-apartheid struggle was started by dash of the dash party. Answer, Nelson Mandela African National Congress. 4. Everyone should have the right to seek in a court of law. Answer, justice. 5. The word apartheid literally means, answer, separateness. B. Match the columns. Column A, column B. First step, establishment of democratic government in South Africa. D. 1994. 2. Untouchability Offence Act 1955. 3. Nelson Mandela started an anti-apartheid struggle. 4. Soweto riots, June 1976. 5. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar C. fought for equal rights for untouchables. Okay student, I have done some question in book. After that, question answer in notebook. Chapter 4 in Civics Class 6, Elements of a Democratic Government. C. Answer the following question in 10 to 20 words. First, what do you understand by apartheid? Answer, South Africa at that time was governed by apartheid laws. The word apartheid means separateness in the Afrikaans language. Second, name the 3 elements of a democratic government. Answer, the 3 elements of a democratic government are the legislature, second, the executive, third, judiciary. 3. Name 3 methods that the people employ that criticizes the government. Answer, the 3 methods that the people employ to criticizes the government are: first, mass media, that is writing in newspaper and magazines; second, electronics media such as TV or radio; third, sometimes citizens use methods like signature, campaign, rallies, strikes, protests and dharnas to draw the attention of the government and express their grievances. 4. What law prohibits the practice of untouchability? Answer, Article 17, abolitions of untouchability. Untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. The enforcement of any disability arising out of untouchability shall be an offence punishable in accordance with law. D. Answer the following question in 50 to 70 words. First, how did the apartheid movement affect the white and black population of South Africa. Apartheid movement was a policy of racial segregation and described the rigid racial division between black and white people. Because of this movement, the blacks were prohibited to mingle or live in the same neighborhood with the whites. They have killed mostly children and young people. The goal of this movement was not only to separate South Africans' white minority from its non-whites from each other and to divide black South Africans along tribal lines to decrease their political power. List the List the ways in which people participate in a democratic government. Answer: there are several ways by which people participate in government. First, take part in elections, cast vote to perfect candidate. Third, act, act questions on social issues. Oppose the wrong decision by democratic process like strike, satyagraha, rallies, etc. E. Answer the following question in 8200 words. Make a comparison between apartheid and untouchability. Answer: apartheid is the social discriminations faced by East Africa when white people would dominated on blacks. Nelson Mandela, our great leader, practiced in order to deal with this policy. He contributed to free Africa. He also used to impress, impression, impressment of 27 years. Untouchability. It happened in early Indian based on that rich people are drastically different from poor. The major community or castes would dominated on minor one or Dalits. Big caste people would think a sign if they touch the minor community peoples. 2. Do you think equality and justice are interrelated? Why? Answer: yes, equality and justice are interrelated. As women are given equal rights now, they are given equal respect everywhere, so they too are getting equal justice. But before they weren't getting any justice and they had no respect in the society and were ignored. But now they get equality to the men too and they get correct justice. Think and answer. Why do you think elections are required after a fixed period of years in every democracy? Answer: all governments are elected for fixed period. Elections is a moment when people can sense their power in a democracy. Regular elections keep check on the power of the government and leaders. Elections make leaders and party is responsible to the public for their work and performance. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.